Welcome back. In the first video, you learned about the definition and importance of visible thinking routines. Then, I modeled two approaches, one using remixable templates and another using our video function in Adobe Express. Now it's your turn. Below this video, you'll find a remixable template. Start adapting it and playing around in Adobe Express yourself. Don't forget to share your creation with the world using the hashtag #EduCreative. And please, don't forget to invite others to take this class too. I would love to see what you made. So please share with me on social @Tanya. If you love this course, there are 8 more Lightning Learning courses just like it on the Adobe Education Exchange. All these courses are taught by my friends and colleagues, so I can vouch they are awesome. Thank you so much, and see you next time.